Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Mazda CX-3's infotainment system? You're not alone. These are common problems, often stemming from software glitches or, less frequently, hardware faults. First, try a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, Mazda released a forced reset feature in Update 3.0, March 2025, accessible from the home screen if the system is partially responsive. Check Mazda's website or your local dealer to see if your CX-3, especially 2016-2020 models, is eligible for software updates under Recall 23V-123. Ensure your system is updated to the latest version via Wi-Fi. Still no luck? Move on to the next section for more in-depth solutions. If basic resets and software updates don't resolve your Mazda CX-3 infotainment issues, more advanced steps are needed. First, check for error codes using Mazda's onboard diagnostic tool or visit a dealer for a professional scan. Look specifically for DTC P0606, which indicates system communication faults. Wiring issues or a faulty audio amplifier could be the cause. Inspect connections carefully to ensure everything is secure. If your CX-3 is under warranty or extended warranty, module replacements may be covered at no cost. Explore community-led solutions on Mazda forums, but be cautious as DIY modifications can void your warranty. If all else fails, contact Mazda's customer service for assistance. Remember, Mazda plans to discontinue support for pre-2022 infotainment systems by 2030, so consider upgrading for long-term reliability. Ongoing software patches and dealer support can often restore functionality. Stay informed about updates to keep your system working smoothly.